Can you use TapTap Send without a bank account? Yes, in many cases you can. TapTap Send allows you to send money using a debit card, which means you don't always need a bank account to receive money. On the receiving side, TapTap Send supports mobile wallets in many countries. This means your family can receive money directly into apps like bKash, Nagad, or Rocket without needing a bank. This makes it easier for people who don't have access to traditional banking. Mobile wallets are fast, safe, and instant, which is why many users prefer them. However, if you're sending money, you still need a valid payment method, like a debit card. And in some countries, certain types of transfers might still require standard bank accounts. So yes, you can use TapTap Send without a bank account, especially if your family receives money through mobile wallets. It's simple, fast, and convenient for everyday transfers. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple online money tips.